Hi, we received this 6-foot folding table as a gift so that we could set it up, give you our opinion about it. And I want to show you how easy this is. So first you can see it's got a handle, so that's nice. And it's got this kind of crevice here on the end. That's where we're going to open it up like that. And then you just lay it flat like this. Now, it's the standard type here. You're going to lift this up. There's a ring here that you're going to pull all the way to the end. And when it's on its upside down like this, you will need to kind of wiggle that a little bit when you get it set up. And then there is a white switch here that you're going to flip over so that it doesn't fold while you're setting it upright like this. So as you can see, it's really not too terribly heavy. Now I'm going to go back here, and that ring is exactly where it's supposed to be there. It's exactly where it's supposed to be there. So as you can see, it's nice and sturdy. When that one switch is flipped right here, it doesn't fold then. And nice 6-foot table. We have other 6-foot tables that are white plastic like this with the same type of legs, but they don't fold. And so that's why I really like this one. It's a folding table, easier to store. I realized I should probably show you how easy it is to put it back down again. So we're gonna pull that ring back, add a little push like that. We're going to flip this switch back to where it was and then just fold it up. I want to make sure that the handle is pulled through before I snap it back together like that. Easy to carry, easy to store. Thanks.